On this particular station, we got a differential steer tractor. We didn't have time to put a tiller in here.
Okay.
So we put FTC and you're modulating brakes.
Oh, okay.
You're modulating track speed, not brakes.
We'll look at slow. No, it's actually flipped. We'll work it out.
Well, it's just like the tiller. You got power boat tracks all the time, but you're using these instead of the tiller.
Yeah.
And man, it is just so nice.
Yeah. Same as a fingertip control. Yeah.
Oh, okay. But you're not applying a brake. You're not a fingertip. You lock a brake up and it grips.
So it's switched of a fingertip control.
Yeah. But you're modulating track speed. You're not
Yeah.
applying brakes.
Man?
Yep.
Those glasses, dude.
Alright, so forward, or right turn, left turn, forward into reverse, upshift, downshift. Reach up here on the touch screen, touch the park brake and the implement lock, the red one and the orange one. And then below that's the rabbit for high idle. Squeeze and pull the trigger, pull the lever back and raise the grip. That's good. And then without the trigger, you got blade.
I've always wondered about that. So everybody talks about you're not going to get a road state. You'll always have to raise up the modulate the machine.
I don't know if you head down here to the tires to the right side of the tires.
I have a question. So if you put the blade down and push dirt, do you have any feel in the joysticks or no?
Nope. We are doing it all by cameras, and this is your chassis information. So you don't have any feel in the handle of a real machine either. So it's no different than running a real machine from that perspective. You're not feeling anything.
You'll lose somewhere on a real machine.
Well, you don't in the joysticks. It's electric over hydraulic, right? So
Yeah, so it's same as a machine.
yeah.
We don't have any force feedback or anything in the joystick. We don't on a real machine either.
So we're trying to give you all the feedback that we can. We've got the audio, and then we position these video
Yep.
cameras optimally. We're trying to give you a track slip as well, so if you're pushing full load, you
Yeah,
can
it
get
takes
that
a getting
optimal
used
push.
to.
Yeah, like I just asked because it'd be kind of hard to tell exactly how deep you're digging and if there's, you know, a bunch of force on the machine and slip and whatnot because you're not feeling anything. Inside the machine you do feel a lot, not through the joysticks, but you feel a lot. What's going on right now? You have nothing. I just asked because I thought it would be hard to make like something happen through the joysticks. Just asking.
There's
So
a little bit of a learning curve. We've tried out some of those technologies, but unless it's just on point, it actually will throw you off more than it helps.
yeah, probably would, wouldn't it?
All the time, and then figure out the camera position, kind of cues off the cameras. You do some pretty good work with that.
Think about this.